going to show you some of the stuff coming up, some of the upcoming launches, and today's rocket. Come on.
We are tickled to death to get this cluster done.
Amongst the most fascinating objects I've ever had the chance to study. The brass tacks verified the fact that it was his. There's known to have been issued to Custer troopers that were at the Little Big Man.
The George Armstrong Custer Indian capture carbine, spectacular piece, having belonged to the great Indian chief Black Kettle.